how to request that a user inputs their age and then convert that from a string to an integer. So first of all, we're going to use input. Please type your age in years. Okay, so what that's doing is that's the message that's going to display on screen using the input function. So that means that a user is going to be able to type over here, and age equals means we're going to store it. And then what we're going to do, the variable that we've stored that as, when they type it in, it's just going to be text. So we need to convert that to a number. So we go equals, and int is short for integer, so it means turn this variable here. So that string there, we want to turn it into an integer, and then we save it as age. And then we could perform calculations with this. Okay, so just talk you through the steps. Here we're asking for the users to type their age in years, and we're saving that, storing that as a variable. We then convert it, because it comes in as text, we then need to convert it to a number using int age. We can then perform calculations with age. Now it's stored as an integer, we can perform calculations. So older is just a calculation I'm doing. Older equals age plus 4, and then we've got this stored now, and we can display that. So we run it, and it comes over here, please type your age in years, and we're going to say 13, then we press enter, and then it did 13 plus 4, and it printed that.